Demonetization or denomination. Demonetization refers to withdrawal of currency unit as a legal tender. Simply, when a series of currency is no more valid, it is called demonetization. In India, demonetization occurred for 3 times, in 1946, in 1978 and in 2016. First, it occurred in 1946. At that time, 2 types of currency notes were banned as a legal tender, that is rupees 1000 note and rupees 10,000 note. Second time, in 1978, 3 types of currency notes were demonetized, that is rupees 1000 note, 5000 note and 10,000 note. Third time, in 2016, on 8th of November 2016, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi announced for the demonetization, and the process, it was implemented on 9th of November. Remember the date, the 9th of November is the date when it was implemented in our country recently. At that time, 2 notes were denominated as legal tender, that is rupees 500 note and rupees 1000 note. At the same time, 2 new currency notes were introduced in our country, that is a new note of rupees 500 and 2000 note, rupees 2000. Next is objective. The first objective, which is very important, that is to check, to reduce the corruption from our nation. करप्शन इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम एंड करप्शन को रोकने के लिए डीमोनेटाइजेशन इज द बेस्ट वे. कैसे है वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. सेकेंड, टू स्टॉप सर्कुलेशन ऑफ फेक करेंसी. फेक करेंसी जिसको कि हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज में जाली नोट भी कहते हैं. एंड टू स्टॉप द यूजेस ऑफ अवर करेंसी फॉर टेरर फंडिंग फॉर इलीगल एक्टिविटीज. And the other objective is to stop accumulation of black money. What is black money? Black money is that money which is not accounted, which is not recorded anywhere. Okay? Black money के बाद next objective is to reduce informal savings. इनफॉर्मल सेविंग्स से नुकसान ये है कि अगर हमारे पास में जो सेविंग्स है एंड इट इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड विद द गवर्नमेंट, तो it will be not good for the economy. And the other objective of demonetization is to channelizing the saving through formal banking system. Next we will discuss different type of impacts. First we will discuss positive impact. The first impact of demonetization is to abolish black money. Abolish black money कैसे है? Demonetization has helped the government in tracking black money. The government claimed the large sum of black money. It were kept hidden by tax evaders, and demonetization has helped it uncover the huge amount of unaccounted cash. और ये cash, you can't imagine the amount of that cash. Nearly 3 lakh crore worth of black money. It was recorded, okay, which were deposited by the people in bank accounts at the time of demonetization. जो recent अभी demonetization हुआ उसके बाद में लोगों ने अपना जो black money which deposited by tax evader और other people, वो amount कितना था? 3 lakh crores. Okay? तो इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं that demonetization helped the government in tracking black money or in abolishing black money. The second positive impact of demonetization, that it has reduced in funding for illegal activities. It acted as an effective measure which can be used against funding for illegal activities. हालांकि illegal activities के लिए जो फंडिंग है, जो टेरर फंडिंग है और अदर सोर्सेज में जो फंडिंग है, उसको रोकना, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल परमानेंटली, बट ये हम कह सकते हैं कि इट वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड टू गेट रिड्यूस्ड फॉर सम टाइम. ओके, परमानेंट सोल्यूशन नहीं है, बट फिर भी कुछ हद तक हमने उसको रोक दिया था. देन करप्शन कंट्रोल. इफ ब्लैक मनी इज कंट्रोल्ड, इफ टैक्स अगर इंक्रीज होता है गवर्नमेंट का, एंड इफ द टेरर फंडिंग इज रिड्यूस्ड, तो इस सब से धीरे धीरे ओवरऑल करप्शन भी हमारी कंट्री के अंदर रिड्यूस हो रहा है. इट कंट्रोल्ड करप्शन टू सम एक्सटेंट. ओके, देन I think I forgot one point, that increase in tax revenue. Okay, the another expected benefit that it was due to people disclosing their income by depositing money in their bank account. The government will get a good amount of tax revenue. The government will get a good amount of tax revenue which can be used by the government, for the betterment of the society. Okay, here I have used up arrow. Up arrow is used for increasing and down arrow is used for decreasing. So what type of positive impacts we have discussed? First, abolish of black money, increase in tax revenue, decrease in funding for illegal activities, and corruption control. Black money is controlled, then we can say the corruption is also controlled. Okay, and the last positive impact of demonetization is digital transaction, promotion of digital transaction, and cashless economy. The main objective of this step was to push our economy towards becoming cashless by using different digital means for the transaction. For example, net banking, mobile banking, and other things. And the government, it was succeeded in this step, and people highly encouraged for the digital transaction. Now we will discuss the last topic of this video, that is negative impacts or demerits. First demerit of this process, demonetization, it is high printing cost, or we can say high cost. Okay, after the demonetization, two type of problems every government has to face. First one is destruction of old currency, and second one is printing of new currency at a large scale. ओके, दोनों चीजों को एक साथ करना, डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ओल्ड करेंसी एंड प्रिंटिंग ऑफ न्यू करेंसी, इट इन्वॉल्व अ ह्यूज कॉस्ट, एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रिंटिंग एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन, इट हैड टू बी बोर्न बाय गवर्नमेंट, एंड इनडायरेक्टली इट विल बी इम्पोज्ड ऑन टैक्स पेयर्स. तो ये बहुत ही एक बड़ी कीमत है जो कि डीमोनेटाइजेशन के लिए एक आम आदमी को, एक कॉमन मैन को चुकानी पड़ती है. सेकेंड, एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट ऑन स्मॉल बिजनेस, प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर्स लाइक फार्मर्स एटसेट्रा, एंड इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर जैसे डेली वेजर्स हैं और वर्कर्स हैं, फॉर्मल वर्कर, इनफॉर्मल स्पेशली इनफॉर्मल वर्कर्स हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल have been dealing in cash for their daily needs, for their daily transaction. They became handicapped and they were not able to do their daily activity due to lack of cash. It was an adverse impact. Next, third, that is economy could not target on entire black money. The government could not target. For example, we can say that people who are not showing their source of income and they were keeping black money by hiding it with themselves, that type of black money is not only kept in form of cash, but sometimes people used to keep it in form of gold, in form of real estate. तो गवर्नमेंट ने जो डिमोनेटाइजेशन में किया, गवर्नमेंट हैज फोकस्ड ओनली ऑन कैश. ठीक है, not focused on gold and real